Your good name?
This is Joby Paul Advocate.
Okay, wonderful. You are practicing in
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Tell me about your father's experience.
It was a wonderful experience. My father had a back pain, severe back pain, so we had undergone an MRI. In the MRI, it come to know that in his S4, S5, some cords, there was some issues was there. So we had taken to orthopedic surgeon. So they told my dad's age is somewhat 74. It's very difficult. We can give some painkillers. So this situation was deteriorated.
Tell me your father's situation while after doctors have,
After doctor's advice, we were taking slight medication from allopathy. Later, my father's health was a little bit deteriorating. So he was going for bed itself. He was not able to do his normal activities. He was totally weakened. Then we came to know miracle rings. So we approached here and we got...
How you came to know miracle rings?
Our relatives are also experienced for this medicine and they were also satisfied. So based on that, we had approached here, and I think I had came here. I got shown the reports, and we had taken medicine for 2 to 3 months, 4 months. After the initial time of 1 month itself, we got good results. He was doing everything, and pain was deteriorated. Now I think it has been completed 1 year and more. Now everything is fine. He's having very light pain, but also not like previous pain. He's walking everything. He's doing everything.
Very good. Earlier he was bedridden.
Yeah, when this pain came, he was he was hectic pain. So we took in the last days he was in bed itself. See, his pain was very, very severe. Then he was in bed itself for 2 to 4 to 5, 1 week. Then after that, after taking, I think in the month of first medicine itself, the first dosage itself, I think for a period of 2 or 3 weeks, there was tremendous changes.
And flax diet also used to take?
Yeah, we used to take everything.
Wonderful. That means whatever the home remedies we have advocated in addition to miracle drinks?
Yeah, absolutely. We have taken flax strings and also that leaves, everything, juice, everything.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Your father name is?
MJ Paul.
MJ Paul. Yes. Okay, 70 is
now he's 75.
75. Wonderful. He took for how many months?
I think he took for 3 to 4 months.
That's all.
That's all.
Thank you very much. Thank you.